Hello students, today I am going to teach 8th standard maths chapter 1 exercise 1.5. In this exercise we are going to learn cubes and cube roots. So cube means the product of three identical numbers. For example, 8 nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So cube root is the inverse operation of cubes. So cube root means cube root of 8 equal to, the answer is 2. Now let's move on the exercise 1.5. Third question, show that 1944 is not a perfect cube. So using prime factorization method, 1944, here the last number is even number. So 2 table possible. So 2 table 19, 2 9s are 18, balance 1. So 14 here, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table, 2 4s are 8, balance 1, 17 here. So 2 8s are 16, again balance 1, 2 6 are 12. So 2 table here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. So 3 table, 3 8s are 24, 1 3s are 3. Again 3 table possible 81, 27 times. So 3 table 9 times. Again 3 table 3 3s are 9. So 1944 equal to, how many 2 here? 3 2. Here 5 3 here. So 3 into 3 into 3. So this is a perfect cube or not? So 2 power 3, this is a 1 triplet. Again 3 power 3. Here remaining 2 3 is there. Here 1 3 is missing. Therefore 1934 is not a perfect cube. 1944 is not a perfect cube, because we need one more 3 to form another triplet. We need one more 3 to form another triplet. Therefore 1944 is not a perfect cube. Fourth question, find the smallest number by which 10,985 should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. So first we have to find the prime factorization method. 10,985. So the last digit is 5. So divisible by 5. So 5 table, 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5, balance 4 48, 9 5s are 45, again balance 3, here 35, 7 5s are 35. So the last number is odd number is only possible. Here 13 table only possible here. So 13 table, 13 1s are 13. So balance 8, 89, 13 6 are 78. Again balance 11, 117, balance 11 here. So 117. So 13 9s are 117. So multiply 13 into 169. The answer is 2197. So again 13 table, 13 13s are 169. So 10,985 is equal to 5 into 13 into 13 into 13. Here 10,985 is not a perfect cube, because we need 2 more 5 to make a perfect cube. Therefore, what is the question here? Which number divide? So divide means in both sides we divide by 5. So divide by 5 means 5 5 cancel. It's a perfect cube. So to make 10,985 perfect cube, so both sides divide by 5. So divide by 5. Therefore the least find the smallest number. The smallest required number is 5. So both sides divided by 5 means these are divisible by 5. The smallest number is 5. So this is the answer. What is the question? Find the smallest number should be divided. So 5 should be divided to make a perfect cube. Fifth question. Find the smallest number by which 200 should be multiplied to make a perfect cube. So using the same LCM method here also, first you have to find 200. So divisible by 2 100 times, again 2 table 50 times, 2 table 25 times, then 5 5s are 25. So 200 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, then 5 into 5. So 200 is not a perfect cube. Here one triplet is there, so another 5, one 5 is missing here. Therefore, to multiply 5 both sides, 200 is a perfect cube. So to make 200 is a perfect cube, multiply by 5. Here 1 5 only missing. So multiply by 5 means it's a perfect cube. Therefore, the smallest number is 5. The smallest required number is 5. 5 should be multiplied. Therefore, sixth question. Find the cube root of 24, 36, 80, 25. So cube root means we have to write 3 in the index. This is the cube root symbol. Cube root of 24, 36, 80, 25. So using LCM method. So what is the 24 value here? 2 table 12 times, again 2 table 6 times, 3 table 2 times, 36. So 2 table 18 times, 18 2s are 36, 2 table 9 2s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So 80, 2 table 42s are 80, again 2 table 20 times, 10 times here, 2 table 5 times. So 25, 5 5s are 25. What is the first number? Cube root of 24 value is 3213. 36 factor is 2322. Next 80 value is 4215 into 25 value is 5 into 5. So cube root means choosing one number from each triplet. So 3 numbers, 1 number, 1 2. So another 3 numbers, take 1 3. Again 2 into 2. This 3 2, take 1 2. Here also 1 2 here, 1 5. So cube root means choose 1 2 from each triplet. So the answer is 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 5s are 120. So the cube root value is 120. Question. What is the square root of cube root of 46,656? So what is the square root of? Square root means this is square root symbol. Square root of cube root of, this is a cube root. So square root of cube root of 46,656. First we have to find the cube root value, then find the square root value. So 46,656. So last number is even number, 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 8 2s are 16. So 2 table, 1 times, 1 2s are 2, balance 1, 13, 6 2s are 12, again balance 1, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. 2 table, 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 16 here, so 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table here, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 9 2s are 18, 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. So 2 table, 1 times, 4 times, balance 1, 5 times here, so 8 times. So 7 times 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18. Next 3 table, 2 3s are 6, balance 1, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So again 3 table, 8 3s are 81 times. So 3 table, 27 times. Again 3 table, 9 times. 3 table, 3 times. So cube root of, so how many 2 here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 2. Here how many 5s? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 5, 6 3. So cube root means what is the meaning? So each triplet we choose one numbers. So first one 2, again 1 2, another triplet 1 3, here 1 3. Now find the square root value. Square root means what is the meaning? Pair of numbers take one numbers. The pair of 2 take 1 2. The pair of 3 take 1 3. So the final answer is 2 3s are 6. So this is the answer. Ninth question. If the cube of squared number is 729, find the square root of that numbers. First we have to find the cube root of 729. So using prime factorization method, we can find out the cube root of 729. So 729, 3 table possible. 3 2s are 6, balance 1. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table, 3 8s are 24, 1 3s are 3. So 3 table, 27, 3s are 81. So 3 table, 9 3s are, so 3 3s are 9. So cube root of 729. So how many 3 here? 6 3. So 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. So cube root means what is the meaning here? So choosing one number from each triplet. So the answer is 3 3s are 9. So cube root of 729 is equal to, the answer is 9. Next we have to find the square root of the numbers. So square root of 9 equal to root of 3 into 3. The answer is 3. So pair of one numbers take one numbers. So what is the question here? If the cube of square number is 729. The cube of square number is 729. Find the square root of that numbers. We have to find the square root of the numbers also. So find the square root of 3. Next we have to find the square root of 3. So using long division method we can find out. So 3 1 1s are 1. So balance 3 minus 1 2. So put decimal here. So add pair of 0. Next each number multiply by 2. 1 2s are 2. So take first pair 200. So in the same numbers only, here we put the same numbers. So long division method, 27 into 7, 7 into 7 here. So 27 into 7, the answer is 189. So the balance is 11. Next take the another pair 0, 0. Now multiply the number into 2, 17 into 2, 34. So here also using pair numbers only. So 3 times, here also 3. So 343 into 3, the answer is 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, balance 1, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So the remaining answer 71. So take another pair 0, 0. Now 173 into 2. So the answer is 346. Next pair numbers only we write. So 2 times. So the answer is 6924. What is the balance here? 6, 7, 1. So 176. Now we write the last pair 0, 0. Now 1732 into 2. So the answer is 3464. So what is the here? 17,000 is there. Put one number here means 34,000 only. So put 0 here. Here also 0. So subtraction here 17,600. Therefore square root of 3. The answer is 1.7320. So square root of 3. The answer is 1.732. So this is the square root of that number. 10th question. Find the two smallest perfect square numbers which when we multiply together gives perfect cube. So consider the numbers are 2 and 4. That is 2 square value is 4. 4 square value is 16. When we multiply the number together, that is 4 and 16, we multiply 4 into 16. So 4 16s are 64. So 64 is the perfect cube. So 64 can be written as 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Therefore 64 is a perfect cube. When we multiply it together, gives a perfect cube. Therefore the numbers are 4 and 16. The numbers are 4 and 16. Thank you students. We will meet the next video class.